Guys, so welcome back. So in this class, we've set up the HTML structure for the our join our online community page section rather. So right now we are going to be focusing on styling it. We are going to be focusing on styling it. This is what we are going to do. We are going to be focusing on styling it. So let's go ahead and start working on styling it. So we have 3 cards or 3 single community that we are going to be working on. So right, so let's go ahead and start styling it. So we come to our CSS, scroll down, so you can see join us. This is our online community. Join our let's join us. So let's start working on styling. Let's start with community. I'm sure that we know that we have community, and inside our community we have text. We want to align them to the center. We can see that right now they are not at the center. So the div that is holding all of them together, which is the community. Let's come back here so that we can see it. Which is this class community. We want to push it to the center so that we can have all the tests to the center. So align tests center, and then we are going to give it a margin bottom of let's say 2 rem. Save it and let's see the outcome. Alright, we can see that we move it to the center, and then we give it margin bottom so that there will be space between the first YouTube community and the Twitter community and Discord community. That is the essence of the space. The margin bottom that I give it is one that added 2 rem between them. Alright, I hope you are following. Now let's start working with the icon. Let's start working with community icon and beautify it. Icon. So we have background. We are going to give it the background color. Just like, let's check the finish work so that we know what we are going to do. So this is what we are going to achieve. Let me just go to join. Once we achieve this is exactly what we want to achieve. Alright, so let's go. So we are going to give it the background color of let's give it purple first. Let's give it, let's see the results. You can see just like this. So that is the color we are giving it. Alright, I believe we're on the same page. After that, let's give it color, its own color to be purple, deep purple. Yes, you can see, right? Alright, let's give it a padding so that we can have space between the background color and our logo. So giving it space padding. I hope you're on the same page. So display, let's give it inline. Display inline. That should be inline block. As we are adding the properties, we can see the changes. You can see we give it the display inline block so that it will occupy the whole stuffs. Alright, I believe we are still on the same page. So after that, let's give it the font size so that the logo can be a little bit bigger. 2 rem font size. We want it to be bigger. Alright, can you see it's now bigger now? So the font size make it bigger. So let's give it a margin bottom. That is the icon is so close to the first to this text. It's so close. That is why I want to give it a margin bottom. Alright, I hope you are learning the function of these properties. Margin bottom to be, let's give it 1.5 rem. Save it and see. So you can see that there's now difference. Alright, I hope we are on the same page. All of us we are following. Alright, the next thing is let's try and style this title a little bit better. Let's make it better. Alright, you know that the title is what? Community title. Okay, so let's give it max width to be what? Maybe 20 rem. You can try and error to get one that is very suitable. So I love this 20 rem. It breaks them into two lines. We just place it at the center. That is all. Alright, so 20 rem, margin left. You can use margin left to push it to the center, or to push it to the center. Alright, you can see, and then it has not actually played at the center. Then we give it margin right or to also, so that it can balance it. Margin right or to, so that everything will balance center now. Margin right, I wrote margin left. So margin right, so everything will balance at the center. Alright, we can see that it is balanced at the center right now. Alright, so there's nothing much again. Other than our paragraph. Let's look at that community paragraph, which is community text. Yeah, a paragraph which is text. Let us give it max width also. Let's give it also 20 rem also, and then we are going to give it margin left and right also. Let's see how it looks now. This is also, yeah, it has shortened it to 3 lines. This is very nice. And then let's use margin left and right to place it at the center. Margin left auto, margin right auto, to push it at the center. Alright, you see that we now have it at the center. Alright, now we are done with the mobile view. This is how it looks on mobile, and it looks really nice, right? Alright, so I believe we are still on the same page, but on desktop, see the way it looks. So this is how it looks on desktop, and here look at how it looks on desktop. Here you see that they are all on horizontal line on desktop. So we are going to achieve the same thing here on our desktop view. Let's achieve something like that using flex and flexbox, and then we are going to use media query for sure. We are going to tell you that when you get to this screen, media query, when you get to this screen, this is what you want. Main width, I want 576 pieces. That's what you want. At that, I want community center to have a display flex at that or port display flex. Okay, so once it displays space, I want to justify content to be what space between, and then I want flex wrap to be wrap, and I want to give it a little padding of 5 rem and 0. Let's save it. Alright, you see that we achieve what I said now. We've achieved it. So it's not a big deal. Alright, I think that is that with that. So but I want to give, let's see the way it rolls from small screen to bigger screen. Even on small tablet screen, it will be 3, and then on the bigger one 2, 1, 3, as you can see. Alright, this is how to create a responsive website. Alright, that is it changed at what? At 576 pixels. Yes, that's when it changed. Alright. Okay, and I want community to also have flex. That's not what I want. Flex, just flex, and then there is a rule. We are just calculating. We'll discuss about this in our live class. Percent -1 array. Here we are giving them. We divide the screen. Actually, we divide the screen by 3 and subtract 1 so that there will be space in between them. So we specify each size that each screen is going to take. As you can see, we don't have another one dropping down making 3 again. No, we successfully divide the screen for them so that all of them can be on the same horizontal line on any other screen apart from mobile. That's what we do. Even bigger screen. That's what we do. Alright, that is that. And let's keep on going. So for bigger screen, if we're having a bigger screen, we want to have max width, mean width. We have a mean width of 99. This is a bigger screen, 992 pixels. So what do we want to have in this? We want to give community, flex, and then we want to give it the same value. We have car, we have 33.33%, dividing the screen by 3, then -1 area. Alright. So after that, we have a nav icon, which is our logo. We're having a color. I'm giving it one of our primary color. Save it. So we have what we want. So in a bigger screen, we change the color to something else, while in a smaller screen you can see how the color is. Alright, I believe we're on the same page. That's the end of this section. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you. See you in our next class. And if there's any question that is on your mind, in our live class we are going to tackle it. Thank you very much.